Okay, sorry about that, guys. Alright, this is part 2 of the video now. XDA, okay, where X is what have I mentioned previously. Well, it won't be this X in specific because we're now working differently now, remember? We're inverting or looking at a certain different direction of axes. So the axes are sort of flipped now, okay? Axes meaning the X's and Y's are now flipped. So that means this whole thing now changes. It's different. So what does it do now? This is actually looking at Y bar now, where it's QY divided by A, where QY actually equals, between the limits of 0 and 1, Y dA. Okay? Easy enough for us now, because we know what Y equals here. It's just straight out Y equals Y. Easy enough. What is dA equal to? We worked out previously. This is our dA right here. Okay? Let's not forget, guys, this is our dA right there. Okay, let me just quickly highlight that to jog your memory. That is our dA. If you don't remember all that, please watch my previous video. Y multiplied by all these variables inside here. Let's just quickly do that. Y cubed divided by 4. Excuse me for one moment. Sorry about that. That's the integrated Y. Sorry, my bad. My bad. I need to watch my previous video now. Okay, so silly me. There we go. Now just multiply all these values here by Y. And now we will obtain Y squared over 2 plus Y over 2 subtracts Y to the power of 4, open and close brackets, to the dy. That's what we're working with respect to. Now moving down below, qy equals, let's just quickly integrate, basic math again, y cubed divided by 3 times 2, 6, plus y squared over 4 takes y to the power of 5 over 5. Close the brackets, integrate between the two limits, and you get 1 over 6 plus 1 over 4 takes 1 over 5. Again, guys, you should know what's going on here. This is, again, basic math. 6 plus 1 over 20, because I simply did the cross multiplication method. Y multiplied by both top and bottom, 4 multiplied by both top and bottom here. So you get 5 over 20 takes 4 over 20. What is it? 1 over 20 as a result. Basic math from here again. You'll get 26 over 120, because it is simply 20 times 6 and 6 plus 20. Okay? And from here, we're not finished as of yet, because we have to now multiply this, multiply this by 1 over the area. So what is that equal to? Qy times 1 over area now equals y bar. Okay? Don't forget, we changed now. We're not looking at x bar, we're now looking at y bar. So y bar equals 26 over 120 multiplied by 2, and this equals 52 over 120. And do some quick simplification, you get 13 over 30 units. Okay, and that is our centroidal distance along the centroidal distance along the y-axis. Okay, so with the messy handwriting, this is paint I'm using after all, not easy. Okay, now let's do it for qx. You guys should know what qx equals to. Okay, so this would obviously equal x bar. Okay, so just don't forget that we're now inverting the axes, so everything changes now. Okay, So, oops, sorry, inverting the axes so that everything changes. This changes, that changes. X bar now equals qx over a, where qx between the limits of 0 and 1 equals to x dA. What is x equal to, guys? Don't forget, this is our x right there, okay? Don't forget. God damn it, what am I doing? This is our x, right here. Don't forget, guys. Okay? x2 plus x1 over 2. So, take the half outside, because you know the over 2. Half outside, you're allowed to take constants out, guys, don't forget. x2 plus x1, close brackets. dA, what's dA, guys? x2 subtracts x1, whole thing, dy. A half, quick math, guys, we don't want to run through this too much longer. x2 squared subtracts x1 squared dy, where qx equals, now let's just quickly substitute, we know that x2 equals this, and x1 equals that. Whoops. Equals that. Okay, this is x1. Now let's just substitute. Okay, because we have to square it, things change slightly. So I'm just going to quickly jump a few steps ahead and square it myself, and I would get y to the power of 2 divided by 4 plus y over 2 plus 1 over 4 subtracts y to the power of 6, the whole thing in brackets, dy. Okay, do you guys realize if you square y plus y1 plus, if you square y plus 1 divided by 2, you're going to get you know, your two brackets, you're going to have to expand those out. It's basic high school, pre-primary school math. Okay. Let's just do the quick integration here now. Get the half outside. Y to the power of 3 divided by 12 plus y to the power of 2 divided by 4 plus y divided by 4 subtracts y to the power of 7 divided by 7. Close the whole thing, integrating between the two limits. You get half outside, don't forget the half, guys, keep carrying through. Y divided by 12 plus, okay, 1, 1, 4, 4, remember, substituting 1, you get a half again, takes 1 over 7. And this, doing some quick simplification, you will get 74 over 168. Don't want to run through it again, guys, because this is a tedious process, okay? So, we forgot to carry the half out, sorry. Half is right there. This would equal 74 over 336 times 1 over area, which equals x bar equals 37 over 84. Okay, sorry I had to rush this part because I'm just running short on time with these videos. So x bar equals 37 over 84 units. Okay, now x bar, obviously we know the x centroidal distance here, and y bar, the y centroidal distance over there. So we just worked it all out. And yeah, thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. My next video would be on the next part, which will be another interesting question. We'll be moving on to the